Okay, so this is the last video in which this one I'll actually teach you how to write the electron configuration. I was lying in the previous one. So in this one, we're going to use this information we have here, and we're now going to practice and learn how to write electron configuration. We're going to start with something small. You know what? Let's start with boron. If somebody said, let's write the electron configuration for boron, because, you know, that's just so exciting. I'm just kidding. I actually love electron configuration because it's like reading a map. So you always have to start here with hydrogen. And you just walk through the steps of, okay, what energy level am I in? I'm in energy level 1. Okay, what block is this? Well, it's my orange block. And how many are in my orange block? There's 2. So I'm going to say S, not orange. I need to stop. It's an S block, and there's 2 of them. And I do have to go through both of them. So I'm going to put a little 2 right here. I could put 1S1, 1S2, but that's a whole lot of writing. So don't do that. Just go to the highest, the last one in the block, and write down that one. Now you're going to go to energy level 2, right? And I'm in my S block. And to get to boron, I have to go through both of these. So energy level 2, S block, I crossed off 2 of them. Now to get to boron, I do have to cross it off. I'm still in energy level 2, but now I'm in the P block, and I just crossed off 1. So that is my address for the electron. What this tells me is that in energy level 1, I have 2 electrons. In energy level 2, I have 3 electrons. And it does go into, you have 2 in the s orbital is what we call it, and 1 in the p orbital, but we're not going to worry about that too much right now. So that's your first example. Now let's do one for oxygen. Let's go just a little bit further. Again, we start at hydrogen. I'm going to switch to green now. We're in energy level 1. This is the S block. There's 2 of them, so I'm going to put a 2. Now we go to the second row, energy level 2, S block. There's 2 of them. Once I go over here, I'm still in energy level 2, so I'm going to write it, but now I'm in the P block, and it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 to get there. So that's your electron configuration for oxygen. All right, now let's do argon. Why not? Let's do argon, but this time I'm going to switch to orange. So with argon, you start up here. So energy level 1, there's 2 in the S block. Energy level 2, there's 2 in the S block. Energy level P this time, I'm going to make the way all the way over, which is 6. 2P6. And energy level 3, I have 2 in my S block. And then I get over here, and it's energy level 3, P block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put a 6. Woo, there's my electron configuration for argon. Okay, one more, and then you can come ask me tons of questions, because I know this is super confusing. Don't take my excitement as me thinking it's not hard, because it is. So for copper, again, we start here. So 1, S2. Then we go here, we're in energy level 2, S block, there's 2 of them. Energy level 2, P block, there's 6. Go to the third energy level, 3, S block, there's 2. Still in the third energy level, but now I'm in the P block. There's 6 of them. I need to get through all of them. But now, I'm going to the fourth energy level, so this is S2. You got to remember that right here is where it starts D, and D is special because I forgot the 4. With D, it actually goes back 1, so it's 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So that's how you would write it if it's in the D block. You just have to remember to go back 1 energy level. So some important things that you need to realize from this is that the highest number that S can ever get to right here is 2, right? Because there's only 2 columns. Well, that means in the S block, there's 1 orbital and 2 electrons total. This is kind of just memorization stuff. In the P block, the highest number we can ever get to is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 3 orbitals. Each orbital holds 2 electrons. That's why I can have 6 electrons. In the D block, there's 10. Do you remember here? There's 10, which means I can have 10 electrons. And because each orbital holds 2, I have 2 orbitals. Write this down. All right. I'm not going to worry about the F block. So here you have it. This is electron configuration. Now you're going to ask your teacher questions and you're going to practice. Have fun.